The string title method in Python returns a copy of the string, title cased. Let's set up some quick code to see how title works. First, let's have a string s that is the title of this video. Python string title in all lowercase. If we call title on the title of this video, it will return a string where the first letter in each word is capitalized. Therefore, the P, S, and T are all uppercased. Here's another example. Let's type out the title of this video again, but leave caps lock on. If we call title on that, then it will return the same string from the last example. So, curiously, title also actively lowercases characters that both can be lowercase and are not the first character in a word. For this last example, let's break out some leet speak just to illustrate a point. So we'll make our string s now be 133t, otherwise known as leet. If we call title on this string, it will take a curious approach. Since it obviously cannot uppercase the numbers, title will take the approach of uppercasing the only character that can be uppercased, that being the T. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.